Hey, I may be all this, but I thank God that I am not a cheap prostitute. Yes, at least I made him pay my school fees.
We are more than friends. Nanama, you are my sister. You are the best sister I've ever had.
You are having an affair with my boyfriend.
Nanama, the last time I checked, you never had a boyfriend. You don't have a boyfriend. I've not seen any guy close to you.
Woman! I swear after God, fear women. Don't fear God.
Charlie, I be woman, what's up?
Don't fear God. You see, I told you I don't trust this girl. I told you.
Sorry.
Baba has killed me.
Our life can sometimes be very different from what we planned. My world is turned upside down by my mistakes of the past, and the consequences can be seen worldwide. A young man with a vision of becoming a professional tutor was shattered by my own indiscipline and uncalled for behavior. My name is Prosper Mawili, a descendant from the great Ametoma Willis family from the Volta region of Ghana. This is my life story in a small village called Bredi, and I call it Back in the Days.
Nanama. Nanama.
Lebobo.
Why? What is the problem? You look
What
worried.
is the problem?
Yes.
You want to know what the problem is? I can't seem to imagine what's even going on. I can't. It's like a dream.
What is happening?
How can someone I call my best friend be kissing and hugging with my city boyfriend? No.
Your best friend?
No.
Kissing and hugging your city boyfriend. Who is that?
Brago, of course.
My goodness. Brago again.
So she's the reason why Ajuman broke up with me after breaking my virginity. I would deal with her.
Brago again?
Yes.
Brago? What at all is happening with Brago lately? Hey, what is really happening? Nanama, I am really sorry for all this. Please, calm down and take heart. You go home and I will check up on you in the evening. Okay?
No, I will deal with her!
Nanama!
I will deal with her, girl!
Nanama! Hey! My goodness. Brago at it again.
Kwansima, this is the last time I'll see you.
Teacher Mauli, you're too good. Chai, you want to kill me? Oh? Okay. Today is the last time I'll disturb you.
Okay. And about your part payment, I will make sure that I do that. And when I do that, we are done.
Okay. You see, with that, when you are done, I'm sure today will be the last day I'll disturb you. Don't worry.
Okay, and I think we should settle before somebody come knocking on my door. Kwansima, you better start dressing up.
Okay.
Alright, just dress up quickly and let's move.
So about the money you're talking about.
Yeah, sure.
What? Kwansima, you? So you were behind all this? I can't believe this. How could you be this selfish, Kwansima? Me, Kwansima, selfish. Akwele, let me tell you, he's not yours. Abba, I only wanted to take a share of that piece of cake you were sharing without inviting me. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? So all this while, you wanted to share my man with me, Kwansima. You are stupid to tell me that he's your man. I'm stupid. Yes. Don't get me mad. What can you do? Don't get me mad. What can you do, Akwele? What can I do?
Hey! Okay, Joe. No. Can you stop fighting and let's find a way of solving this issue? Huh? Look, everybody is asleep. Look at what you are doing. Huh? You want to get me into trouble.
What? What?
Kwansima, you are shouting at me. Hey! Hey! Maule, Ekejo. Kwansima, listen, please. You see, you pass this way and go. We will talk about this tomorrow, okay? Hey!
I'll come and meet you there. I will come and meet you there.
I'm talking to you. You have to listen. You know you are my Akwele. Akwele, it is me you are doing this to me. Hey, Maule. Hey, look, Ejo. I said hello. Hey, in fact, I know what I will do.
Whew. Another day is here.
Papa,
Yes?
I'm leaving for school.
Okay. Steady hard, okay?
Okay, Papa. Papa,
Hmm?
I want a bed.
Kofi,
Papa.
are you sure I'm not wasting my money on you?
Papa, no.
Huh? Go to school and learn some sense. You are here, I want a bed. To do what? Frema, let's go to the farm, okay? Let's go and...
Frema is going nowhere. Yes.
Who said so?
Frema is not going anywhere.
Who said so?
I said so. Chubasi.
I am saying that she is coming with me.
She is not going anywhere with you.
Frema, let's go.
Chubasi, why are you doing this?
What have I done?
Why are you playing favoritism? What impression do you want to create between these kids? Why is Kofi gone to school and you expect Frema to follow you to the farm? Do you think it's fair?
Mamiesi.
Chumasi.
Mamiesi.
Chumasi.
Don't talk like that.
Chumasi.
Kofi will not be impregnated. As for this one, just like her sister Kledu, she will bring pregnancy to this house. And I'm not ready to waste my money on that. Are you hearing me? Let's go to the farm.
Chubasi, you are not being fair for crying out loud. Why are you so obstinate?
But I told you.
Stop this obstinacy. Frema is our daughter. Please.
Have I disowned her?
No, but she needs to be in school. Please.
I don't have time for this. I don't have time for this issue again. I don't want to even talk about it again. Are you hearing me? Frema, let's go.
I said she is not going anywhere with you.
She's going.
She's not.
Frema, when you are coming, bring me my...
Will you drop that? She's going nowhere with you.
I'm expecting you to bring my food, okay?
Look at him. Ah! Frema, don't be worried. Frema.
Shameless bee, boyfriend snatcher, prostitute. Hey, I may be all this, but I thank God that I am not a cheap prostitute. Yes, at least I made him pay my school fees, cut him down, did what I wanted. The rest of you are just common and uncivilized prostitutes. Come for tutorials. Asma! Asma! It's okay. What? It's okay. Sheep! Backstab me like this. I thought we were more than friends.
Yes, we are more than friends. Nanama, you are my sister. You are the best sister I've ever had.
You are having an affair with my boyfriend.
Nanama, the last time I checked, you never had a boyfriend. You don't have a boyfriend. I've not seen any guy close to you.
And she's lying too!
Lying about what? You know it's the truth. You've not introduced anyone to me as your boyfriend, and I've not also seen you with another guy.
You don't know my boyfriend, Brago.
No. Before we make a mistake, who is this guy you're talking about? Is it the herbalist?
I'm talking of Ajiman! Ajiman!
Nanama. Sometimes you don't have to take things so personal. Ajiman loves me. And if we are to talk about the truth, he met me first, even before you. He told me how he loves me and how he wishes he can take me to the city to make life easier for me. Nanama, you know birds of the same feathers flock together. I was even expecting you to, back me so that I can go to the city, make a good life, and come and take care of you.
Rogo, you are ungrateful! You are wicked! You are the devil! You are an idiotic monster! The seed of jealousy is planted in you!
See who is talking? Seed of jealousy. You are the one being jealous. Because he didn't see the best in you and he saw the best in me. Look at me. We have a lot of differences. Me getting to the city first will give you an advantage. It will help me teach you so many things. Nanama, let's not jeopardize our friendship. This is something...
God will punish you! God will punish you! You will regret this! You will regret this!
How can I regret? We are friends. Friends share things together. If I go to the city, your haircut, everything seems to be... It's village lifestyle. I have to go because I have the physique. City girls, they have good body shape. I can wear heels. I can eat. Nanama. It must be painful. I can feel her pain. But I have no choice. I also want the best. I want to get a good life for myself.
Kwanzima, Akoni, why did you get sacked? Do you want to get me sacked from the school? What is your problem at all?
It's because you are hot and your touches makes me go crazy.
Stop it! Hey! So you don't want to even listen to me? Oh! Akweli, I'm very sorry, Chop! Hey, Mawili, says hello.
On a more serious note, I never liked the way Teacher Mawili was treating you today in class, though. I never liked it. Why don't you like it? You better change, oh. You better change. You need to set up. What's that? Yeah, I like it. Oh, get up. Worry.
Crazy girl? Hey, don't do that. Don't do that. Foolish girl. I'll go and leave you. I'm foolish than me. Hey, in fact, you are crazy.
You are crazy. Come to think of it. Did you see Kwansima, Kwele, and Teacher Mawili standing under the tree today? I saw it with you. So, what was it all about? Like, what were they talking about?
Don't you know that they are dating? He's dating both of them.
Teacher Mawili is dating both of them.
Yes.
Kwansima and Akwele.
You know I know everything here.
You don't mean it. Teacher Mawili would do no such thing. Like, he wouldn't. He's too innocent.
He does it. He's dropping all the girls like that. Exception of you and me.
Are you sure?
Yes, everybody.
What about Fema?
Yes. No, I don't know.
You, this girl.
What?
You are crazy. Do you know what I like about you?
What?
You are too crazy.
You are mad. Foolish girl. Foolish.
Prima, now that you are here, is there any problem? Because you don't normally check on me.
Yes, but Mr. Konedu, there is this particular reason why I came here.
What? What is it?
Mr. Konedu, I really don't know why Papa don't want to pay my fees for me. I don't know what at all I have done to him. Each and every day we apologize to him, Mommy and I. I don't know. And anytime I ask him or Mommy asks him, all he says is all is about you. He always put the blame on you, but he doesn't tell us what exactly is the problem. I don't know. So our exams and everything is ongoing, and I don't know what to do. So I've come to you to not that I'm advising you, but Sister Kunedu, I want you to apologize to Papa in any ways, in whatever ways, so that at least he will use that as a paved way or something like that, as a path to pay my fees for me. Maybe when you apologize, he will accept to do everything. Because I don't know why. I don't really know why he's doing this.
Ha! You are talking as if you don't know the situation. You know everything already. Papa doesn't want to see my face. He hates me because of this pregnancy. Because I didn't complete school. So I have wasted his money and time. And I don't want him to think that I'm influencing you. That's the reason why I don't normally come to the house.
But Sister Kunedu, if you got pregnant at your early age, that doesn't mean that I'll get pregnant along the line. You know that I'm not blockheaded.
Yeah.
I'm the best in our school.
You're very intelligent, but please, do well. Don't lose hope. Try your possible best to complete school.
But you know Papa is our last hope. We have nobody again. Sister Kunedu, there is no one. My fees, classes fees, school fees, everything is hanging. Even books, I don't buy books.
So what about that mom of yours?
Mommy is doing everything possible. He always talks to Papa.
I don't believe her. She's supporting Papa.
No. I know Mommy. Mommy likes me a lot, no matter what. Even you cry that you have got to kick the ball, cry in your stomach. She likes you.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
But
back in the days, back in the days.
Next, back in the days.
Bravo! Ajiman!
Aiko, Araba, what are you doing here?
I want us to start dating.
I'm sorry, Kwansma. I have moved on. My heart belongs to only her. Back in the days, back in the days, so back in the days, back in the days, back in the days. Ready, man. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Nobody knows tomorrow. You go reap what you sow. Pretty man. You too move for na mwentia. You too move for na mwentia. You too move for na mwentia. Asembeba debi. Asembeba debi o. Jaya kuboni idio.